What is the difference in roof shingles for insurance rates? Hey there, Tia at Trailstone, and we get this question a lot. So let's try to shed some light on what the insurance companies are thinking about roofs and your insurance rates. The type of roof shingles on your home can impact insurance rates due to their durability and resistance to damage. Generally, impact resistance or more durable shingles such as Class 4 asphalt shingles can lead to lower insurance premiums. These shingles are designed to withstand hail, wind, and other weather-related hazards more effectively, reducing the likelihood of extensive damage and claims. Although more expensive than Class 4 shingles, some of the best choices for roof shingles are concrete tile, stone-coated steel, or metal roofs like steel, copper, or zinc. Most of these roofs have a life expectancy of 25 to 100 years. On the other hand, less durable shingles, such as traditional asphalt shingles, might be more susceptible to damage during severe weather events, leading to higher insurance rates. Recently, we've seen many changes with insurance company underwriting, especially with roofs that are 10 years or older, because they're becoming more difficult to insure or may have an actual cash value settlement endorsement. Pro tip: keep this in mind if you're purchasing a new home with a roof that's 10 years or older. The home may be harder to insure. Another consideration we've been seeing starting in 2023 is roofs are being inspected by actual drones or low-flying aircrafts. Literally, this happens like every 6 months, some sort of Cessna flying over our houses with high-res cameras taking pictures. Insane, right? What are they even looking for? The insurance companies are looking for worn out or deteriorating shingles and trees that overhang the home. This could also be deemed higher risk and may result in increased premiums. My takeaway: insurance companies often consider the age, material, and condition of your roof when assessing risk and determining rates. So upgrading to impact-resistant shingles or keeping your roof well maintained can actually help lower your insurance premiums by reducing the potential for costly claims resulting from weather-related damage. Here at Trailstone Insurance Group, we work with more than 40 insurance carriers and have an option for any type of roof. So please reach out if you have any questions. Until next time.